And I know I'm probably behind. I know the girls been on Fenty Beauty, and I just jumped on the bandwagon. Hey, sweetie fam. Welcome back to my channel. I am Patra.pearson Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. And on this channel, I create content regarding sneakers, luxury, lifestyle, and fashion. And if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified. Okay? Because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. However, I do drop bonus content pretty often, actually. So that's why you need to click the bell. I know all the girls have been ranting and raving over Fenty Beauty probably for about 3 years now, 4 years now. And I didn't jump on the bandwagon, y'all. I didn't. And I don't know why, okay? I have actually been using MAC. Let me see. Let's take a look. Oh, here we go. Studio Fix. MAC Studio Fix. This is what I've been using for forever. NW45. Okay, this is what I've been using forever. This is actually my second one I purchased because I didn't wear makeup a lot. Okay, so this is my second one, and I share it with my oldest daughter because she was a dancer. She's no longer a dancer anymore. And you know, when you perform, your face gotta be whatever. Now, if you have not seen my vanity haul where I showed you all the new glitz and glam that I added to my new vanity, that video will be here so you can see me just unboxing the Fenty Beauty. Or did I unbox the Fenty Beauty in that video? Go and watch the video anyway. Okay, and I decided to try something else. I really needed a blush and a bronzer. I really found the blush that I wanted, so Sephora had this combo, and it was foundation. Okay, let me see. Can you see that? It's foundation, or should I say, what do the YouTubers do? Foundation, and then this is instant warmth bronzer, which we'll get more into that. And then it is a matchstick, which is Fenty Beauty as well. Okay, so I got this combo from Sephora. I did get it from JCPenney, and the reason why I bought it from JCPenney has Sephora in it, and I have a JCPenney credit card, and I get bonus points and stuff like that and extra things off. I'm a platinum member of JCPenney, so that's why I purchased from JCPenney Sephora, and I can use my JCPenney credit card. So that's the reason why I didn't just go through Sephora itself. Okay, I did buy it online. I don't know if I said that. Now let's get into this. Now this is the instant warmth bronzer, and it's called Sun Stalker, and I'm gonna open it for you so you can see. I haven't used this cute little mirror on it. I haven't used this because I normally like my bronzer to be glittery, but I'm going to keep it because you just never know. And it's really cute to travel with as well. That's the reason why I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep this, and it would be good for if I travel. Okay, so I've never used that. But this right here is the match stick, and this one is called Cinnamon. It's a shimmer skin stick. This is actually not a bronzer, and I've been using it as a bronzer. This is actually the bronzer, y'all. I got it mixed up. That's how you tell I'm not like into like makeup. However, I have been using this for bronzer, and I'm guessing that's not what you use it for, but it works for me. Okay, it works. I don't have any on today because I went to church and I wasn't trying to do all that. Okay, however, let me show you what this is. Like a lip piece. It's like a lipstick, and obviously you take the top off, and you can just, you know, pull it up, pull it down. I really like this. Very easy to rub on. It gives, you know, cute little shine here, glitter here, glitter here. That's what I normally use it for. I really like this. And now that I know that it is not a bronzer, I guess I got to get another bronzer. from Sephora when I go in there. However, I really like this, and I use this as a bronzer, but you know, to each your own. Now, I will say that when I wear this, I have to wear the Fenty foundation for it to look just like Chef's Kiss, okay? It doesn't, to me, it doesn't look as good with like my liquid foundation. And let's get into the foundation, okay? So, Fenty Beauty foundation, it is a Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. It is a 440. And like I told you, I've been wearing MAC for years, okay? I have been wearing MAC for years. I'm gonna say that again. I've been wearing MAC since like 2015. So when I started wearing makeup, I have been Team MAC. Like, as first place I went, it was in the Macy's in Tennessee in the Green Hills Mall. I was just like, say less. I'm gonna be using this. I didn't even go into the store to like match my skin complexion. Baby, this right here changed my life. It changed my life. First and foremost, I had a full face on, and it literally only took like 2 brushes. Okay, and this is the powder. It's the powder. This is the brush that I use. And then, is this the one I use? Let me see. Yes, it says powder. So this is the brush I use. It only took 2 or 3, should I say, to get the foundation on my face, and that is it. And I put this on at 9 o'clock this morning. Yeah, it is currently 9 o'clock a.m. It is currently 10:31 p.m. Okay, and I just want to get into like my entire face. I'm gonna put my glasses up. Like, it's a full cover face at 10:31. That is 13 hours, like 13 and a half hours later. A full face. Full face. So the first time I wore this foundation, I thought I was tripping. Like, what? For my liquid foundation, I have to add my MAC to it, the powder. I don't have to add anything to this. That's the first thing. Second of all, it applies like a liquid foundation. Y'all, why y'all ain't told me about this? Like, I know the girls have been ranting and raving, but why y'all ain't tell me about this? Because I've had my face done all day. I got ready for church, went to church, went to my mother-in-law's after church, stayed there from like 12:30 to like 5 o'clock, full-faced, ate dinner, full face, and I ate wings. So, you know, face still full, okay? Then when I got ice cream, face still, okay? I done a video, TikToks, all that, and I'm just like, the face. I didn't change my clothes, everything. Y'all, this was like a 15 minute. I literally did my eyebrows and put the foundation on, put a little glisten glam in the corner of my eyes, and that's in a concealer under my eyes in here. That's it. Fenty Beauty is the stuff. Like, it is very much long lasting. And I would rant and rave about and just hallelujah, you know, over the top about MAC. Studio, is that Studio Fix? They ain't got nothing on Fenty. Rihanna did her due diligence when she made this foundation. She did her due diligence. And again, I chose this foundation off of online. I didn't go into the store. I'd never experienced any other products from Fenty Beauty outside of 2 mini lipsticks and lip gloss. That's it. I cannot believe how amazing this foundation is. It's very much long lasting. It is like I said, I've been outside, inside. It wasn't really hot today. The weather was good. It was about 65, close to 70 degrees. So the weather was good. It was no breeze. So I wasn't like sweating or anything. I will say, like, you know, like, obviously you got on makeup and you touch your face or something and you're like, oh, I got makeup on. It doesn't really even give off a residue as much as other makeup I have. Say less. Say less. Say less. Say less. Like, this is the best foundation I have ever used. And this is a quick, like I said, eyebrows, foundation, little crease, little glitter in the creases of my eyes, and concealer under my eyes, and like around my mouth. And then I took the foundation brush that I used, and I didn't re-dip it, and I just kind of helped blend the concealer, and that's it. That's all I did. I want y'all to like it's y'all fault. It really is. It's y'all fault that I didn't know about this, okay? I will pay whatever it costs to re-up on this foundation. I would not be wearing no other foundation, none, because like when I wear liquid foundation, it just seems like real cakey, like too much. I don't feel like I have too much makeup on my face. I also actually don't even feel like I have makeup on my face, y'all. And I'm trying to do all type of content now. Like, ooh, what else can I do? I got a face full of makeup, but it's not giving a face full of makeup, but it's giving a face full of makeup. Rihanna, I see why you're a billionaire. I do, because this right here is chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. So now I gotta get the blush and a real bronzer. However, I'm gonna keep using this. If you know, you know. Yeah, comment down below if y'all use Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm gonna be honest with everybody, you know, ranting and raving about Fenty Beauty. I honestly just thought they was ranting and raving on it because it's a black-owned business, and I'm for that, right? We need to rant and rave over our own products. I didn't know if the products was good, and a lot of times people be gassing stuff up, and we really just need to be on E. Just park the car. It's not that big of a deal. Won't nobody say nothing. Catch the bus. You still gonna get where you got to go. If you can feel where I'm going with this. However, this right here is every bit worth the money. The quality of this is so good. The quality of this foundation is really good. I'm really happy with the presentation. It is first of all, it's cute, compact. Rihanna, you're in it, girl. You did it. You did it. You did it. And I'm not the girl who is a makeup guru. I do what I can do for myself. That's it. That's all. Okay. However, this right here, chef's kiss. Okay, if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. And on this channel, we talk about sneakers, luxury, lifestyle, and fashion. That's why you need to click the bell, because I do drop bonus content, and I actually drop bonus content regularly. Yeah, I know. But I am Favorite Patra Denise, and y'all be sweet.